Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate SharePoint on Microsoft Office for Office 365 on a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, coming for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Then go to the left hand side navigation menu or go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on all applications. Now navigate to SharePoint. SharePoint will allow us to share and manage the content within our working space for Office 365. Let's just go to SharePoint, click on this, and now we are presented with a welcome to SharePoint start page. If you are clicking this for the first time like myself for this video, we can go to next. Go to previous, news from sites, frequent, following and recent, featured links, suggested. Let's just get started. What we see on screen is now a place for us to create sites, create news posts, and then we can share everything from the site to other parts of Office 365. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.